Hello friends, welcome back. Some viewers are asking me whether is there any possibility to merge two pivot tables in Excel. Actually in Excel there is no option to merge pivot tables. Instead of this, in easy steps we can get our output. Let's start. First we need to convert our data into table format. For this, press Ctrl L to convert it to a table. Press OK. Perfect. Now click on table design. Give a name. It's a purchase table. And then remove the tick mark from banded rows. Perfect. Now again for this data also press Ctrl L. OK. Table design. Sale. And then remove banded rows. Perfect. Now we require a unique values from these two tables, which is branch name. So for this again click on menu, data, then click from table range. It will open a Power Query editor. It will take some few seconds to load the data into the editor. Perfect. Now remove this last step. Okay. Click on this branch name column. Right click and remove other columns. Perfect. So depends on your system performance, it will take some time. Yeah. Now click close and load to. Here click only create connection. Press OK. Perfect. Now in the same way, click another data and data menu, click from data range. We need to follow the same step. Yes, remove last step. Select the column branch name, right click and remove other columns. Perfect. Again close and load to. Again click on only create connection. Press OK. Now our two connections created. From that two connections we need to create common values. For this again go to data, get data option. Here combine queries. Here we need to click append. One is purchase, another is sale. Perfect. Now click this column, right click and remove duplicates. Give your name here, branch list, and for this also close and load to. Again click on only create connections. Now this time click this option, add this data to data model. Okay, perfect. We got the branch list, unique branch list. Right. Now click on data and relationships. Click new. From here, first we will select branch list, column name branch name, and then purchase, again branch name. Press OK. Again click new, branch list, sales, press OK. Perfect. Now we got the relationships. Click on insert, pivot table. You need to click this down arrow from data model. Press OK. Now click the branch list, branch name. From purchase table, click on purchase. In the same way, sales from the sale table. Perfect. See, all these two values brought into one pivot table. If we add, just remove these, and if we add some values in this table, now click here this pivot table and click right click and click refresh. Perfect. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for your valuable time. Bye.